This is Hapchan. Hapchan. Oh, Hapchan is Chinese. Oh, dim sum. Okay. Thank you. Okay. This is but only the second Chinese restaurant I've seen. Okay, we tried this noodles again, and we got the bao. Shumai. Let's see if it's any good.
Thank you.
Good. Egg roll. Hot.
Green onions.
This is steamed buns again. Let's see if this is any good. This one is not as sweet. It's good. It's not as sweet as when we ate at Shell Cake. Is this the best Chinese restaurant in town?
Yes, sir. So far, sir.
Is there any other Chinese restaurant besides here?
Yes, there's a Angkong restaurant, sir, but a nationwide brand is Hapchan, sir.
Oh, so this is franchise.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Uncle's is not.
Sir?
Uncle's is not.
No, sir. It's locally originated. Yes.
Oh, but this is better than Uncle's.
Yes, so far,
Oh, you
sir.
guarantee?
You taste it, right, sir?
I did. I'm from Hawaii, so lots of Chinese restaurants.
In Hawaii, sir?
Yes, lots, many.
But
Yeah.
do you taste also the Ilocano food, sir?
Yes, even here the Chinese food tastes different.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is your secret?
The secret, sir, maybe the cooks inside there,
The
sir.
cook love,
Yeah.
Get love,
The passion of
Yes, the passion.
doing. Yes, sir.
Okay, what should I see around here?
You can see around here, sir, the heritage, which you call the Calle Crisologo, sir. Crisologo Museum, Baluarte, sir, like that.
Would you recommend the horse and carriage?
Yes, sir, the Calesa. You should ride the Calesa.
What's it called?
Sir?
Calesa. Calesa.
For
Horse
you
and
to enjoy,
carriage.
sir. Yes, sir.
They will explain?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. How
Some
much
of
is
them.
one?
200 per hour, sir.
Oh, 200 per hour?
Yes,
Or
sir.
per person?
Per hour, sir, for the rent of the Calesa, sir.
Oh.
So if, the maximum, I think, sir, 3 or 4.
Oh, so they go by
person. Yes,
hour,
sir.
not per person.
Yes, sir, per hour, sir.
Oh, got you. So, only around here, how long is a ride?
I think
Maybe
1
like-
hour per 200 pesos, sir.
But how long normally is one ride? 10 minutes?
Yes,
15
sir.
minutes?
I think so, sir.
Okay,
Because
10, 15
It
minutes.
depends, sir, if the I think so, the
The
traffic.
traffic.
Around it, sir.
Okay, sounds good. And your name is?
Shannon, sir.
Shannon, nice to meet you. Would you
Yes,
like to
sir.
say anything?
Nothing. Just
Nothing?
hello, sir.
Okay, sounds good. And this, what city is this?
Vigan City, sir.
Vigan City. So we are in Vigan City.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Nice to meet you also,
Yes,
sir.
thank you.
I hope you
Salamat.
endorse also our brand, sir, the Hapchan, sir.
Sounds great. Salamat po.
Thank you rin, sir.
Okay. Oh, you got my stick. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Jean. Thank you very much. Oh, this is lined up with horse and carriage. I mean, full-blown lined up.
Ano yan?
Pottery making po.
Oh.
Gusto yung pumunta ma'am para makita niyo.
Oo. This is where they make the pottery.
Who?
The
Potter.
Pottery making.
After taking a short horse and carriage ride over here, there was a museum, but I didn't want to go into the museum. So we're here at Ruby's Jar Factory. So supposedly this is where they do all the potteries. So we're gonna go inside. We're gonna check this one out. Yeah. See what this hype is all about. I heard people saying about this pottery place. So let's check it out. Okay, there's a pottery they're talking about. Hello, Vigan.
Ay, yung bata ma'am? Tumabang. Tumabang maganda. Kalesan dito. Ay, I love you, ma'am.
Okay. Where did she go? Oh, see, here's the potteries. So I guess this place specializes in making these type of potteries.
Lay pan. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Sita tayo mga bes.
Di pasayan.
Oh,
Yeah, pasok kayo dyan.
is wine?
Pasayan din. Tingnan lang sir.
See? They live here too. Whoa. This is like a really old rundown. Whew. It's got tin roof so you can feel the heat. Whew. It's just radiating in here. Oh, this is where they do the clay. There's all that mud. So they just spin this and they use the water to shape it.
He just went and break.
Oh, perfect. Salamat po. Our carriage ride stopped right here. I guess we're gonna pick up some souvenirs. Maybe here. This is like a really old street, ancient street. I forgot what it's called. There was a sign back there, but I don't know what this street is called. Ooh. Wow. So old looking in here. Wow. Even the roof. Everything's so old. They're all handmade. Chips. Hand blade. Wallet. Whew. It's hot. Wow, that's a big horse. Man, that's a little horse. The first one was a big steed, and the second one looked like a donkey. Oh, how much is for one?
35.
How much?
What flavor? 35 pesos. Mango, avocado, and queso. It's good.
Queso is good, huh?
No, mango.
Mango is good?
You guys want ice cream? Or the cone?
I like pandesal.
Balik, doon ito mga bandisan.
Buns.
Bun.
Pa? Ay, kasama mo lahat, sir. May bayad ko lang tayo, ano, ikama natin.
The white one? Puro nga white din. Sa mesa. That's cheap. Who wants this?
Cheese, white. Mango, yellow.
Yeah, I want the cheese.
Ano flavor ba yung ano? Tinapay, ma'am.
We're gonna go for a mango. Let's try mango.
Queso, kanya.
Ito, mix.
Hindi ka mamali.
And here we are, guys. This is the mango. Let's go try it out. Oh, and this is the, you can have it in a bread as well too. Ice cream in a bread, or you can have it in a cone. I opted for a cone. Let's try it out.
Mango and queso.
Very different. It's good though. Very sweet. Hmm? Looks like there's a monument right smack dead in the middle. Looks like Dr. P.J. Burgos. I guess it's dedicated to a Dr. Burgos. On that side, it looks like they are remodeling, or it looks like it got damaged through the earthquake as well. I see a lot of cracks in the roof or the dome area. Looks like they're renovating it. Yeah, I definitely see damages or wear and tear. This is the city square, and they sell a whole bunch of stuff. Sorry, I got something. I just finished eating my ice cream. So, shall we? To the next stop. Marsha. I don't know. We're still in Vigan City. We were told to come over here to pick up some dessert. Let's go check out what they got. I think think they left all the pastries in the back. Yeah, I see all the boxes. In the front looks like just all dried goods.